Good evening all. Good evening respected Chauhan sir, Dr. Alka ma'am and all the seniors. Sir, I am Dr. Namita Agarwal. I am an obstetrician gynecologist from Gwalior. I am running my own nursing home there for around 10 years. But I was doing all routine obs gynae, open surgeries and all. And because of family and very much responsibility, so I cannot go out and learn, refine our skills. Now lab and history is a must. So from the last 1 year I thought of devoting time to myself and learning what I want to learn. So I quite traveled 4-5 places. So I went for TLH, I did NDVH, but still to refine I did NDVH, and then internal iliac ligation, which we get afraid ना कि कहीं फंस गए तो सर्जन को बुलाना पड़ेगा. So उसके लिए अलग है. Especially 2 days I went to Maharashtra. So but I went for lab ना. They don't give much importance to histro. They say it is very easy, you can do it. But I think we should know the basic concepts about the fluid and little things, tips and tricks. Then only I think we should take that instrument in hand, because it is a blind procedure. And I think that I think to the maximum I achieved here, because Dr. Alka, Dr. Chauhan sir, they told us what to do, what not to do. That is very important before doing hysteroscopy, though it appears to be easy, but it is not at all easy. So I think after this I will start basic diagnostic histro. Then if I will need, then I will again return. If again I have some problem operative, I think it will take time with resectoscope, but starting I will do with diagnostic non-electrical sources जिसमें energy is not required. I will start for this at least 1 year. So I think I have achieved a lot in 4 days. Now I think I could do it. So that's why I'm very much grateful to all the Dr. Chauhan sir, and above all both Alka ma'am, Dr. Chauhan sir are so grounded na, that we don't get afraid of asking our doubts. We can get over them and ask anything. That is very important, I think. So thank you sir.